Let me give one extra which is not equal now. I will give some number. Both the list must have same length. It is asking again. So you could see dictionary is created and displayed. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class we are going to create dictionary program where we will accept two lists from the user and create a dictionary. Programming question: accept two different lists with the same lengths, one with keys for a dictionary and another with values, and create a dictionary using loop. If given lists are not having same lengths, it should ask repeatedly until the user gives the equal lengths. Display the dictionary. Let us go to Python. Let us start with the comment line. Create dictionary with different lists. I will create an empty dictionary. Items is equal to empty braces. As we need to get the list with the same length, in case it is not with the same length, it should be asking repeatedly from the user until they give the same length. So the best way is to use the while loop. So I give while true. My idea is to take the item and the price for a dictionary. So I give its is equal to, I will take directly list from the user. So I use eval of input of. This is the method which can be used for dictionary and tuple also. If you want to know more about eval function, please visit my previous video. I will give the link in the description. Enter the list of items. Similar way, I will be taking the price, eval of input of, enter the list of prices. Now I will be checking whether both the lists are having same length. If len of its equal to len of price. I need to take first member from the list and the first member from the second list, put as keys and values. So I need to have a loop for I in range. As both are having equal length, I can take len of any one of that. So I give its. So we will access the list called its of I. So this list will get traversed and take each value. So this is going to be the key of the dictionary. So I write items of. Hope you understood this step. Then I am going to take a value from the second list. So that is price of I. So when the for loop get completed, it would have taken all the keys and its value to put it in the dictionary, and the dictionary is ready now. Coming out of the loop, we will print the dictionary. Print items. Then we will break this. In case it is not having the equal length, then again while loop will continue. We can also give one message when it is not a equal length. So we will give else both the lists must have same length. This is the message when it is not equal. Let us run this program. Mouse, keyboard, display unit. The second list, price of this 700, 550, 6000. Let me give one extra which is not equal now. I will give some number. Both the list must have same length. It is asking again. So let me copy and paste the first list. The second list I will give with equal length now. So you could see dictionary is created and displayed. Hope this was very clear to you. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing, keep learning and keep sharing. Let us meet in the next class. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.